A rare scolding from one judge to another is the latest chapter in a 4-year fight to get a new trial for a man convicted of criminal sexual conduct.
From the bench yesterday, an Allegan County district judge blasted a circuit court judge and the Allegan County prosecutor, saying that their behavior brought dishonor and shame to the courts.
Target 8 investigator Susan Samples reports the fiery rebuke came after the state Supreme Court denied the defendant a new trial.
The actions of Judge Baker and Prosecutor Cook have brought dishonor and shame to the courts of Allegan and perhaps to even the entire state.
Harsh criticism from Allegan District Court Judge William Belargin Thursday as he sent this man, Daniel Lowe, back to jail. Lowe's been out on bond pending appeals since his 2019 conviction by a jury for sexually assaulting a 13-year-old girl. At issue during Lowe's trial, presiding Judge Margaret Zuzich Baker had a private email exchange with Allegan County Prosecutor Allegan Cook, writing, "The MSP trooper didn't do a very good investigation. Don't they have detectives with MSP anymore?" Prosecutor Cook responded, "They do, but not typically for criminal sexual conduct cases. This trooper has been given additional personal training since this investigation."
Make no mistake about it, the behavior of Judge Baker and Prosecutor Cook was found to be unethical by the Supreme Court.
Belargin had ruled Lowe should get a new trial, but the appeals court and just this week the state Supreme Court disagreed, saying that while unethical, the brief email exchange between Baker and Cook did not impact the outcome of Lowe's trial. Still, says Belargin,
the damage done to public confidence is hard to measure, and the work to rebuild and maintain that confidence will no doubt be daunting.
It did not affect the integrity of the trial or the defendant's constitutional rights.
Allegan County Prosecutor Allegan Cook, who's running for re-election, said she wanted to set the record straight.
The communications were sent to me by the trial judge talking about deficiencies in the investigation. My responses were specifically and solely about policies and procedures moving forward. Nothing about the witnesses, the evidence, the trial itself, nothing about what the court should do or not do.
But Daniel Lowe's attorneys said they won't give up fighting for a new trial and may appeal to a higher court.
This concerns any of us who end up in the justice system and who have on the opposite side of the aisle a prosecuting attorney and a judge who we'd like to think looks at that prosecuting attorney and the defense attorney the same way, treats them the same way, doesn't have side conversations with either one of us.
The judge at Lowe's trial, Margaret Zuzich Baker, was a prosecutor before she took the bench. She declined comment today. Prosecutor Cook emphasized her focus is on getting justice for Daniel Lowe's victim, who has now endured years of appeals following Lowe's 2019 conviction by a jury. And there's no clear end in sight.